Name Day by Cynthia Platt. The Kids Club was having a special name day. Everyone prepared by talking to their families to learn more about themselves. Then they each created a poster to share how they got their names. They used all their skills to create colorful and unique presentations about their names. When name day arrived, all of the friends were excited to present their stories. Everyone was so keen to go first that they had to choose numbers from a hat. Sandy went first. "I was named for a kind and loving family friend," she explained. "I'm happy my parents named me after her." "Is she from Australia?" Kodi asked. "Yes, she still lives there," Sandy replied. "Even though I don't anymore, we keep in touch and write letters." Rhea showed everyone a picture book called Rhea Touches the Sky. "This was my mom's favorite book as a kid," she said. "It's about an explorer named Rhea." "Wowee! I didn't know you were named after her," Peck exclaimed. "Yeah, my mom wants me to reach for the skies, just like Rhea the explorer," she replied. "I'm proud to be named after her." "My dad's name is Peck too," Peck told them. "That makes me his namesake." "That's so cool you share his name," said Kodi. "Do you know what's even cooler?" Peck asked. "He was named after my grandpa, so we're 3 Pecks. We even look alike." "My parents named me after a famous Nigerian artist," Olo said. "They wanted to find something creative for me." "And now you're an artist," Sandy said. "That's pretty lucky." "It is," Olo agreed. "Sharing his name inspires me." "My dad is from Kodiak, Alaska," Kodi said, "so he named me Kodi as a way to keep his memories of Alaska alive." "That's so clever! Kodiak looks like such an amazing place," Rhea said. "It really is. I love camping there with my family," Kodi agreed. After their presentations, the friends displayed all their posters in the yard. "I like getting to see everyone's pictures and art," Olo said. "I worked so hard on my poster," Rhea said. "I really enjoyed this project." "Me too," Kodi agreed. "It's nice to learn more about each other," Sandy said. "And about ourselves," Olo added. "Each name day story was so interesting," Rhea said. "We all got our names in such different ways." "And we all ended up with such cool names too," Peck cheered. Sounds All Around by Cynthia Platt. One bright sunny day, Sandy and her friends went on a nature walk at the state park. It was so pretty there. It was spring, and the trees were full of lush green leaves. They grabbed their backpacks, ready to explore. For a while, they zigzagged along a muddy path through trees and wildflowers. Sandy listened to the crickets and cicadas, whirring and buzzing in the distance. A brook babbled nearby. To Sandy, who loved music, these sounds were a treat. Soon, everyone stopped to have a snack and a drink and to rest. As they did, Sandy began noticing new noises. Instead of the sounds of the forest, it was the sounds of her friends. Peck gleefully glided on the wind as it whipped through the leaves. Olo took out his sketchbook and art supplies to draw, but dropped his pencils. They went clickety-clack as they fell against the rock he sat on. Sandy thought it sounded kind of like Olo was drumming. Rhea took out a book. The soft turn of her pages added to the other noises. Sandy wondered if Kodi thought it sounded like music too, because she pirouetted and twirled gracefully. Her dance made crunching sounds on the pine needles under her feet. When it was time to start walking again, they trekked through a hilly area of the park. Everyone huffed and puffed as they headed up a steep hill. Nearby, a small waterfall trickled and splashed into a rocky pool. Sandy thought about how so much of their walk sounded like music. She was inspired to start singing her own tunes. It didn't take long for her friends to join in, humming and clapping with her. When they crested the last and biggest hill, Sandy and her friends rolled down together. They laughed and laughed as they bounded toward the bottom. Sandy thought their laughter was the best sound she'd heard all day.